I would like to motivate my vote. Obviously and factually so, we're here today because of the way one meeting was handled. One urgent meeting that was requested by members of parliament regarding a damning report from the ombudsman. When I mentioned to the minister that the meeting will continue with or without you, this was per the requesters. This is what was written on the letter to me as President of Parliament, that they would like to have the meeting with or without the minister. That was not me stating that personally. I was following the instructions of the members of Parliament that requested that. Members of Parliament, caring about each other is not the job. Protecting each other is not the job. I'm not here to make friends, and in politics you need to have thick skin, and I've had thick skin since 1995. That's how much experience I have in politics with thick skin, being with someone that I truly love and having him being whiplashed many times. We have thick skin, and we deal with it because we know who we are and who we stand for and what we stand for. We are here to represent the people to the best of our ability. This is the job. Voting your conscience. This is the job. It's about being impartial, consulting with the people, and doing what's right by the people. So if today I'm asked to resign or being fired for a job that I am doing right by the people, then so be it. Then people of St. Martin, let the chips fall where they fall, and let's start with the voting. I now turn the floor over to the Secretary General.